I am Eric Trio, and thanks to POWERHOME Solar, my family and I own our power. The install experience was wonderful. It was very hands-off on my part. They just came in and did their thing, very courteous and professional, and they were in and out in one day. I really enjoy seeing a much less power bill that we're paying the power company. I had a certain expectation when we were able to look at our bill the first couple times of about ballpark where it would be, but having the solar panels definitely surpassed my expectation. During this past summer, we had some friends over and somebody said, "Oh wow, I noticed you have solar panels. How have they been generating for you?" And I talked through them about everything. We went through it. We even walked up to our backyard so we could look at it and said, "Wow, I can barely even notice them. They're laying so flat and close to your roof." If anything we could do to help reduce energy consumption, we're happy to do that. I am Eric Trio, and my family and I own our power.